mommy to sing? Why?
Because I don't want to.
You don't want to?
No.
But you're not singing, mommy's singing.
I want to.
Somewhere
I want to.
over the rainbow, way up high. You're the only person who never wants to hear me sing. You don't like mommy singing?
My car's jammies.
Your what?
My car's jammies.
Your car's jammies.
Yeah.
I'm talking about singing right now. Your jammies are in the blanket next to you. But why don't you want mommy to sing? Please. Oh man. You're no fun.